It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. Good morning, everybody. It's bright and early. It's around 8 a.m. right now. 8:15 actually. And I'm just taking a quick stroll through Pioneer Square. Wanted to check out the lights here. There's lots of holiday or Christmas lights. Some people say Christmas, others say holidays or holiday. Either way, let there be light. That is looking west to the waterfront, looking east toward First Hill and Lake Washington. This is going to be a short walk, by the way. I just felt like getting up and coming here for a walk, rain or shine. I don't have an umbrella with me, and I'm not using a camera that's water repellent or waterproof either, so hopefully this camera will hold up. Got my coffee at one of my favorite coffee shops back there. Let's go check out these trees here. And I heard that they also put Christmas lights up at Pioneer Square Park, which is not far from here. Definitely want to check that out. It's very early to be walking out here on a Saturday morning. And so after Thanksgiving, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, by the way. After Thanksgiving, Seattle, and I suppose this is true for other cities as well, Seattle goes into Christmas mode. Lights are up and the shopping, consumerism and capitalism, really, well, consumerism heightens. But hey, this is America, right? So speaking of consumerism, how was your Black Friday? Let me know in the comments what you did on Black Friday. Did you do some shopping? Did you do Black Friday shopping? Did you go to Walmart? Well, you couldn't have gone to Target because Target began giving its employees Thanksgiving Day off, which I think that's an awesome philosophy, or policy rather. I really do. Okay, I'm walking through. I hope this camera holds up. I'm walking through the there's so many quote unquote worse areas of Pioneer Square. This is not a friendly part of Pioneer Square here. I mean, I could smell this area just walking by. I know a lot of you might be thinking, well, here's Trinity nightclub, by the way. I know a lot of you might be thinking, well, why are you showing us these crummy parts of town? Why are you doing that, Dennis? Well, I like to document my city. I've stated this before in my previous videos. But it's exactly why. I like to document my city, show you the reality of things, not embellish or sugarcoat anything. What you see is what you get. Now, there are of course, some beautiful parts of Seattle, and I go to those parts too. And when I go to those parts, I'm not necessarily trying to sell you on coming here either. I'm just, again, showing you what Seattle looks like. And right now, this is what Seattle looks like on the last Saturday of 2021 at a little after the 8 a.m. mark. You might think I'm crazy for being out here and walking around, but hey, I do like the I do enjoy the energy that the city provides, that the city exudes. Smith Tower, the once tallest building this side of the Mississippi. I state that a lot in my videos, but can never quite remember up until what year it was the tallest building. And now those are the tallest buildings in Seattle. This is an interesting parking lot. It's a triangular shaped parking lot. And so from here I'm gonna swing a left. This is a short morning walk, everyone. So I'm gonna swing a left, head back west, and I'm gonna show you and see for myself too, of course, what Pioneer Square Park looks like right now, a couple days after Thanksgiving, as the city prepares for Christmas. I can see that there's lights there. I'm wondering if they dressed it all up with lights. Butler Garage. There's an alley. That alley is actually cleaner than a lot of alleys I've seen and walked through, including the one in Belltown that I walked through several days ago, where I went and did that walk. You can check out that video. That was the what was the title? Walking to Pike Place Market through Seattle's most, quote unquote, most dangerous areas in Belltown. Merchants Cafe, Seattle's oldest restaurant. Just wanted to take a look at that. And here we are, Pioneer Square Park. Not a tent in sight here, very different from not too long ago. And we're gonna walk to Chief South statue, take a look, say hello. Yeah, these lights are up. Wow. Must be nice at night. And there is Chief South. The man whom the city was named after. It says Chief Seattle, but his actual name was Chief South. And from what I remember being taught growing up, they couldn't really, Seattle was easier to say, and so it evolved or had been changed to Chief Seattle. Let me know in the comments if that is incorrect information. I always want to be accurate with information that I give to the extent possible. So here we are. Now we're walking north. Let's check out this totem pole. Yeah, they've definitely cleaned up this part. Wow. Not a single tent here. That's a pretty long totem pole. Good morning, how you doing?
I'm better than yesterday.
Oh, that's good, man. Every day there's progress, right? Here's the underground tour.
How do you call it progress? Because every day is progress.
Hey, if each day you do better than the day before, that's good.
Every day is a progress.
Hey, you take care, okay?
That's great, brother. Happy holidays.
You too. Happy holidays. All right. Oh, this place here. Sandwiches, salads, even coffee. Need to stop by there and get coffee. Notice I don't think they're open yet, so Good thing I didn't decide to get coffee there this morning. Okay, here's one of the more vibrant 7-Elevens in town. And there's another coffee shop there. That place is open, Cherry Street Coffee House. And if you go this way or keep going north about 4 or 5 blocks, that will take you to Pike Place Market. The entrance is on your left hand side. All right, everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video here. Like I said, this is going to be a shorter video, and if you like longer videos, do not fret. Longer videos will be coming soon. All right, take care. See you next time. As always, peace.